Life is but a road. You can take it fast, or you can take it slow. Just don't sit there, idling.
Don't you come back no more.
Or else life, well, it just might pass you by.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
The road may spit you out someplace you didn't expect. Well, that's just how it goes sometimes.
Don't you come back no more.
Be glad you've made it this far. Covered what ground you could. As we are here for a mere fleeting moment.
Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back, don't you come back no more.
This is your journey, no one else's. But if you're lucky, they may just come along for the ride. Life is just this delicate road between fear and reason. You know, you lean too far in either direction and there's consequences. You know what? I'm just an old man. What do I know?